Hello everyone, this is Priyal. Today we are going to make an alarm clock. Let's get started. Firstly, go to your Google Chrome or browser on your laptop or desktop and just type here Pura Vida MIT App Inventor. You can see here the spellings. Click here and move to the first website. See, it's coming. Let's wait a minute. See. Now scroll down and here you can see here is an option of alarm extension. Click here and again scroll down here. Now here you can see there's an option of download free version of alarm extension AIX5. Click here. See. Now you guys can see my extension is started downloading here. Okay, so you can see my extension is downloaded successfully. Okay, now go to MIT App Inventor. Okay, and just come to the first website here and click on Create Apps. And now it will ask you for your Google account. So you can sign in your own Google account. So firstly, let me tell you that what I have done till now. Firstly, I have signed in my Google account, and then I had the box has come and it has told me that start new project, and here I have written alarm clock like this. Okay, and then it has taken me to this screen that is before you all. Now what to do is, you can change here firstly background color. You can change, or you can also add a background image if you want. Okay, or like here, if you want to upload a background image, click on upload file, click on choose file. Here you can choose the files. Okay, so here I can upload any one. I'm uploading from my camera only. Okay, anyone. These all are very bad images. I'm not uploading today. Okay, I'm not uploading an image. I'm just here choosing a background color. Okay, let's choose this pink color. It will look beautiful. Yeah. Now, is it okay? Yeah. Now, guys, what we want is, we want here just go below and click on this extension and click on import extension. Okay, and now the extension that we have downloaded from Pura Vida apps, just this was that extension. Yes, drag this extension. Okay, you just have to drag it here 1 minute and drop it here. Click on import. Now wait a minute and it will be automatically imported. Now you can see it has come this telephone alarm. Yes, now just come back and click on layout. Okay, and choose this vertical arrangement. Drag this and drop it here. Okay, now now 1 minute. You can change its background color. Here I'm changing it to this pink will be looking good. Okay, so I'm changing it like this only. Now make its height as fill parent. Width is also fill parent. Yeah, like this. And now what we want is a horizontal arrangement. Okay, this one. Drag this arrangement and drop it here. Okay, and make its width as fill parent. Okay, and now what you have to do is come to user interface and just drag and drop a button here. Okay, you can also change the button's background color if you want. It's optional. Font size, I'm changing it to at least 16. 16 will be okay. Make it as font bold. Height and all are okay. You can also change the shape. I'm making it as rounded. Okay. Now text for button 1. Right here. Set alarm. Yeah. Now it is all okay. Now what I want to do is I'm making its background color to at least black, so it will look more beautiful, and make the text color as white color. This one. Now you see our text. Yeah, it is beautiful now. Now guys, what we want is here all text input. Okay, text box, this one. Drag this box here, drop it here. Again drag a box and drop it here like this. Okay, now it is all okay. Now what we want is click on this horizontal arrangement and make this align in horizontal as center 3, align in vertical also as center 2. Okay, like this. Text box 1 also. And now guys, come to text box 1. Make its width 20%, 20. And come to text box 2. Make its width also 20%. And now what we have to do is, if you want to decorate your app more, then you can just take a label here. Okay, and in label you can change its font size to at least 2020 like this, and make it as font bold like this. So now in this text for label 1, right here you can write here about your introduction that hello, I say. You can write welcome to my app. You can write like this, my app, this app is made by Priyal, or you can write here your name also. Okay, it is just for decorating it. Okay, because it is like so it has no space now, so that's why I'm writing like this. Priyal, enter. Hope. Oh, 1 minute guys, network problem. Yeah, hope you all like it. Thank you. Okay. So as you all can see that we have written many letters, so it is not coming here. Okay, so what we can do is make its height as fill parent and its width also as fill parent. Now you see, it is coming. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you like it. So now it's time for code. Come to blocks. Okay. Now, firstly we have to click on minute button 1. Okay. And then when you will click on button 1, you can see this function will come. So you can just drag this and drop it here. When button 1 click do means that when someone will click on this button, then what will happen? Okay, let's see what will happen. After that, we want to go. Actually, these are not working. There's 1 minute. Yeah, see. It's coming. Oh, wait a minute. Now guys, what we have to do, click on this firstly extension and just drag and drop this telephone alarm one. Okay, and now don't see me that how this option is come. Actually we have just dragged it and dropped it there. Okay, so that's why this has come. Oh yeah, now come to blocks. So firstly I will click on telephone alarm and it is here. Okay, you can see here telephone alarm and drag this and drop it here under it. Okay, now guys, again come to design and come to this user interface, come to text box and drop one more text box here. Okay, font bold, height field parent. Oh no, we want no height, automatic only. Width as fill parent, like this. Okay, and hint and this hint option right there. Write your text. Okay, and in the text option also right here, write your text. Okay, you can make your text alignment as center if you want. Here I'm making it as it only. 1 minute guys, I'm really sorry. Don't write in text anything, leave it. Yeah. And in the text box 1, in the option of hint right here, minute, hour, second. Okay, just write this only, it will be okay. Same with here in the hint option. Okay. And guys, if you want to leave the hint, then also you can. Here I'm leaving it only. Okay, just leave it. I don't think that we want hint. Okay. Yes, come to blocks. See. Now you guys click on this text box 3. Scroll down. This option, text box 3 text, drag it and drop it here. Okay. Now this text box 3 text, just copy and paste it 3 times. Okay. Okay, like this. Make it as 312. See, make it as 1 and make it as 2. Now drop it like this. Yeah. See guys, so our app is ready. Come back to designer section, and now guys, and now we can insert our one label. Okay. For that, come down and drag it and drop it here like this. Okay. And make its width as at least fill parent. Okay, height also as fill parent. Okay, and 1 minute guys, just delete this block because we want not here, we want here a label. Okay, drag it and drop it here and increase the size to 2020. Height, no height, make it width as fill parent. Height also if you want, like this. And in text for label 1, you can write here about your introduction and about your app, like this. Hi, welcome to my app. This is, and here you can write your name, that this is Priyal, like my name is Priyal. You can write anything, like this is Priyal, creator of this app. And at last you can write, hope you liked my app, like this. Hope you liked my app. Yeah, you can see it has come. So now what I can do is make it as font bold, and let's change the black color. Okay. And one more thing that you guys can add here, that minute. One more thing you guys can add here, that of 1 minute. Yeah. Creator of this. Okay, this is already written. Creator of this app. I am in Grade, you can also write here your grade. My grade is 7. I'm writing here 7. Okay. Text alignment is center. I'm putting it. See. And what else? Background color. We can change it. Okay. Make it as white. Let's see, white. Okay, white is also pretty. Yeah. See, so our app is ready. Okay, so now let me show you its live test. Okay. So, and guys, one more thing I have to tell you that if you want to see your app in your own mobile, then what you can do is click on this build, okay, and click on app provide QR code for APK. Okay, click here, and then you can see the progress bar is started. Okay, just wait for a minute or two, and then it will be successfully completed. It will according to your internet speed. Okay, it will take some time. So the barcode will come. It's taking some time. See, you can see the barcode has come. Okay, now what to do is, let me show you that what to do is, a minute. So guys, firstly you have to download the app. Okay, so let me show you that. I hope you all can see my screen. Go to the Play Store and download here MIT App Inventor, and you have to download this app MIT A12 Companion. Here I've downloaded it. Click on open, and this question will come. Click on continue without Wi-Fi and click on scan QR code. Okay, and now you can scan the QR code. Like here I'm scanning. See, you can see in my mobile what is happening. It is. It is installing. Now see, you can see our app. It has come. Hi, welcome to my app. This is Priyal, creator of this app. I'm in grade 7. Hope you like it. Like here I can set any alarm. Okay, like now it is 1946. I'm making alarm as 1947. And here I can also write my text like wake up or like that. Click on set alarm, and it has come complete action using. It is your choice. Here I am making it as clock. It has come. The alarm will remind in 1 day. Okay, because I put the alarm for tomorrow. Okay, as you can see in my mobile, it is 1947 only. That's why it has come like this. Let's make it as 1948. Set alarm clock. See, alarm will ring in 1 minute. So let's wait for 1 minute and let's see what will happen. Okay. Let's wait for 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, it has come. Wake up, wake up. If I want to off it, I can click on off, or I can also click on remind later. Okay? You can see here. And our line is also there, wake up. I hope you like it. I am clicking on off, so my alarm is off. बनाने वाले चाहिए। So guys, I hope you like it. Okay, I hope guys that you all of you like our app. Okay, and you can also, I've also told you that how to download your app on your mobile by using app MIT A12 Companion. Okay, you have to just go to Play Store and type MIT App Inventor, and an app will come before you. Just download it, and an option will come that is continue without Wi-Fi. Yes, so you can click on continue without Wi-Fi and scan this QR code. Okay, and your app's website will come, and click on download, and that app will download it in your mobile. Okay, I hope guys you love it and love it. Thanks for watching. But let's give you a live test here also. Here I am giving you live test with a link. Now you can see when I will click on this link, you can see what is here happening. Oh, let me annotate. You can see what is here happening. Alarm clock APK. The file is just downloading here. You all can see here, yeah. But I don't have to download so many files. So I just click here. Okay. Cancel. Okay, so this APK file will be downloaded in just a minute or two. So guys, what I have done is I have clicked on this link in my laptop, and you can see the APK file is downloading. It is downloading in a minute or two. It is totally of 3.3 MB APK file. But the downloading your APK file is not necessary. You can also just download in your mobile that app that is MIT 12 Companion. The link of the app I will share in description box too. Okay, so no need to worry. I will share you the link in description box too. Okay, so it is downloading. It will take some time guys. Okay, so see guys, our APK is ready. Let's open it. Guys, actually the time is over. It is a very long video it has been. So guys, I request you all to try my app and please comment in the comment section that how was it for you. Okay, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.